The Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, is one of the most ambitious products Tesla has ever announced. Promised to be a potential financial game changer, not just for Tesla, but for the tech industry as a whole, Elon Musk continues to spotlight Optimus, confidently stating it will be available for purchase by the end of 2025. He even talks about mass-producing fleets of these humanoid robots. But the reality may not live up to those bold claims, at least not just yet. So, when will Tesla actually start mass production of Optimus? In today's episode, we'll uncover 3 major reasons behind the delays and the real story behind the scenes. And before we dive in, welcome to NextGen Theories. If you enjoy deep dives into futuristic tech like this, help us reach 10,000 subscribers. It's a huge motivation to keep bringing you great content. The hardware just isn't ready for mass production. Tesla is known for assembling some of the smartest engineers in the world and pushing them to move at lightning speed. But even that isn't enough to overcome the current hardware limitations. Let's rewind a bit. In 2016, Tesla claimed that all their vehicles came with the necessary hardware for full self-driving FSD. This gave owners the impression that autonomous driving was just around the corner. They were even told their cars could become robotaxis in the near future. But that promise quietly disappeared from Tesla's website. Now we know why. Over the years, Tesla rolled out millions of upgraded Hardware 3 computers to replace the older Hardware 2.5 systems, which turned out to be insufficient for true autonomy. And now, even Hardware 3 isn't enough. Elon Musk has said those chips will also need to be replaced. To make matters more complicated, Tesla's newer hardware has had its share of issues. For example, some versions have been plagued by short-circuit problems, leading to large-scale recalls in both the US and China, malfunctions that even impacted basic features like rearview cameras. The challenges of building hardware for Optimus Tesla is now working on developing Hardware 5, specifically designed for the Optimus robot. And while their massive 50,000 GPU training cluster at Giga Texas, nicknamed Cortex, has helped tremendously, building and mass-producing this new hardware is still a massive challenge. Thanks to Cortex, Tesla has made major improvements in the Optimus robot, including 4.2x more data input, higher resolution video capabilities, a 2x reduction in the time it takes from sensing light, photons, to controlling movement, a redesigned controller for better comfort and safety. These are huge advancements, but scaling this up to mass production is an entirely different beast. Competing priorities, like the affordable Model 2. While Tesla is investing heavily in Optimus, it still has its eyes set on the future of electric vehicles. One of its biggest upcoming projects is the much-anticipated Model 2, Tesla's affordable EV, meant for the mass market. Balancing resources between groundbreaking robotics and making EVs accessible to millions is no small task, and naturally, that has an impact on timelines. Tesla's vision for Optimus is bold, and if successful, it could reshape industries and daily life as we know it. But the road to mass production is filled with technical hurdles and competing priorities. While Elon Musk remains hopeful for a 2025 launch, the reality suggests we may have to wait a little longer before we see robot legions walking among us. Thanks for watching NextGen Theories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future deep dives into the tech that's shaping tomorrow. Why Tesla's Optimus robot might not arrive until 2026 or later. One of the key challenges standing in the way of Tesla's Optimus robot becoming a reality is the amount of advanced hardware required, especially for self-driving capabilities. Tesla is developing entirely new hardware for Optimus, built on a 7nm process. This chip isn't just for powering the robot. It's expected to handle multiple critical tasks, including autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. Elon Musk has acknowledged that while Hardware 3 was a major breakthrough, Tesla has already been working on the next generation chip, one that will be about 3 times more powerful. However, this new chip isn't ready yet. Musk recently said it could take around 2 years before it enters production. That means we may not see mass production of Optimus until 2026 or even 2027. Hardware retrofit pressure. Meanwhile, Tesla has already sold over 100,000 vehicles equipped with Hardware 3 and FSD capabilities, and that number is climbing. As more of these cars hit the road, the demand for hardware upgrades is skyrocketing. We're talking about potentially retrofitting over 500,000 vehicles, a monumental task. Musk himself admitted it would be painful to swap out that many onboard computers. Why? Because the cost of such a massive upgrade could exceed $500 million, and it would place huge pressure on Tesla's service infrastructure. So before we dive into the next major reason for delays, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss one of our future episodes. Production cost challenges. Another major factor causing delays is the rising cost of production, something many companies are struggling with right now. Inflation in the United States continues to rise, putting extra strain on high-tech manufacturing. Tesla originally aimed to bring the Optimus robot to market for just $20,000, an ambitious target that once seemed within reach. But like many manufacturers, Tesla is feeling the pressure from rising prices for raw materials, especially rare metals needed for actuators and sensors. Increased shipping and logistics costs global supply chain disruptions. Even though Tesla has invested heavily in automating production and localizing supply chains, broader economic conditions are proving tough to overcome. A groundbreaking vision. Still in progress. Despite the hurdles, there's no denying that Tesla's Optimus robot represents a major leap forward in robotics and automation. Elon Musk has consistently emphasized the company's goal: to make Optimus affordable enough for widespread, everyday use. That $20,000 price point could truly democratize humanoid robots, putting them in homes, workplaces, and industries around the world. But for now, production delays, chip development timelines, and macroeconomic challenges mean we may have to wait a little longer to see that future. The real-world challenges holding back: Tesla's Optimus robot. The Tesla bot, Optimus, is designed to transform everyday life, from manufacturing and logistics to personal care and assistance. But in today's high-inflation economy, hitting Elon Musk's target price of $20,000 is becoming harder than ever. The cost of key components needed to power a humanoid robot, such as AI processors, electronic parts, high-density batteries, and servo motors, has risen sharply. These aren't just optional add-ons, they're essential to making Optimus functional and reliable. On top of that, labor costs in the US are climbing, driven by the rising cost of living. This is pushing domestic manufacturing expenses even higher. Tesla is expanding its US manufacturing footprint, especially with Giga Texas and Giga Nevada. These facilities aren't just building electric vehicles, they're also being prepped to play a major role in the development and future assembly of Optimus. By building the entire Optimus production line in the US, Tesla can tap into federal tax incentives and government support aimed at encouraging the growth of advanced tech industries. Yes, US labor is expensive, but Tesla is betting on automation to balance it out. They plan to reduce the need for human workers by having robots help build robots. That's right, Tesla bots could help assemble future generations of Optimus robots, making the production line more efficient and less dependent on manual labor. Signs of progress and hints of a launch. There are encouraging signs. The market appears to be stabilizing, and government tax policies are starting to lean more favorably toward innovation again. If this trend continues, mass production of the Optimus robot could realistically begin in early 2026. But there's one big hurdle left: autonomy. The final, and arguably most critical, reason why Optimus isn't ready for mass production just yet is its lack of full autonomy. Right now, Optimus still hasn't achieved the level of environmental awareness and independence that's needed for real-world tasks. Tesla has made noticeable progress over the past few months, especially in improving the robot's walking ability, or gait. It's becoming more agile, more stable, and more confident in how it moves. Its speed now suggests it may reach up to 3 miles per hour. Elon Musk recently introduced the world to this next chapter at the We Robot event, where Tesla unveiled both its futuristic cybercab and the latest iteration of Optimus. At the event, we saw Optimus interacting in surprisingly human-like ways, socializing with guests, serving drinks, and even playing games like rock, paper, scissors. And it's a big leap forward when you consider that just 2 years ago, these bots were practically motionless, barely able to take the stage, let alone interact confidently. Tesla's vision for Optimus is undeniably bold. And while the road to mass production is filled with technological and economic roadblocks, the company continues to make meaningful strides. If autonomy catches up with hardware, and if inflation cools down, we could be just a couple of years away from seeing robots like Optimus in the real world. By building the entire Optimus production line in the US, Tesla can tap into federal tax incentives and government support aimed at encouraging the growth of advanced tech industries. Yes, US labor is expensive, but Tesla is betting on automation to balance it out. They plan to reduce the need for human workers by having robots help build robots. That's right, Tesla bots could help assemble future generations of Optimus robots, making the production line more efficient and less dependent on manual labor. Signs of progress and hints of a launch. There are encouraging signs. The market appears to be stabilizing, and government tax policies are starting to lean more favorably toward innovation again. If this trend continues, mass production of the Optimus robot could realistically begin in early 2026. But there's one big hurdle left: autonomy. The final, and arguably most critical, reason why Optimus isn't ready for mass production just yet is its lack of full autonomy. Right now, Optimus still hasn't achieved the level of environmental awareness and independence that's needed for real-world tasks. Tesla has made noticeable progress over the past few months, especially in improving the robot's walking ability, or gait. It's becoming more agile, more stable, and more confident in how it moves. Its speed now suggests it may reach up to 3 miles per hour. Elon Musk recently introduced the world to this next chapter at the We Robot event, where Tesla unveiled both its futuristic cybercab and the latest iteration of Optimus. At the event, we saw Optimus interacting in surprisingly human-like ways, socializing with guests, serving drinks, and even playing games like rock, paper, scissors. And it's a big leap forward when you consider that just 2 years ago, these bots were practically motionless, barely able to take the stage, let alone interact confidently. Tesla's vision for Optimus is undeniably bold, and while the road to mass production is filled with technological and economic roadblocks, the company continues to make meaningful strides. If autonomy catches up with hardware, and if inflation cools down, we could be just a couple of years away from seeing robots like Optimus in the real world. Tesla's Optimus bot is evolving faster than we thought, but autonomy is still the key. At Tesla's Fremont factory, vehicles are now able to move autonomously from the production line to the delivery lot. They're using a special version of what's likely an unsupervised build of Tesla's full self-driving FSD software. According to Tesla, they've already logged over 50,000 driverless miles just by moving cars internally. This could be the first real-world application of a general-purpose AI autonomy system, something that Tesla is now aiming to replicate with its humanoid robot, Optimus. To scale production, Optimus will need this same level of independence. Imagine a robot finishing assembly and inspection, then walking on its own to a staging area, all without human guidance. That's the kind of autonomy required if Optimus is going to play a major role in Tesla's future manufacturing plans. How is Tesla testing Optimus? In a surprising reveal, a former Tesla engineer shared that the Optimus Gen 3 robot is already working inside Giga Nevada, Tesla's massive factory that produces the 4680 battery cells used in the Cybertruck, Cybercab, and Optimus itself. Turns out, Optimus is a perfect fit for factory tasks that need to be automated, but are too complex or time-consuming for traditional robots. In many manufacturing environments, tasks change frequently. Robots typically require specialized programming for every new job, which involves a lot of setup and reprogramming every time something shifts. This results in high overhead costs, requiring teams of engineers to constantly adjust the equipment. But with Optimus, it's different. You can teach it tasks on the go, and employees, not just engineers, can guide the robot in real time, training it to do what's needed without writing complex code. This makes Optimus far more flexible, allowing Tesla to automate tasks that normally wouldn't be worth the time and money to program traditional robots for. Optimus is already at work. Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus is already performing tasks inside Tesla factories. While the company hasn't officially disclosed the exact jobs the robot is handling, footage suggests it's doing things like removing batteries from the line and organizing them into trays. Sure, some operations still need adjustment and occasional human oversight, but Tesla's team appears to be managing those fine-tunings effectively. A legion of robots by 2025. During Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call, Elon Musk announced a bold plan to build an entire legion of humanoid robots by the end of the year. That's around 5,000 units of Optimus, with the goal of producing up to 50,000 in 2026. He even joked about calling production units legions, a term that adds a bit of sci-fi flair to a very real vision. But this vision extends far beyond Tesla's factories. These robots are being designed to help with everyday life, from tasks in homes and hospitals to even emergency response. This isn't just about automation. Tesla envisions Optimus as a companion, a helper, even a caregiver. Just imagine, a robot helping your elderly parents at home, assisting someone with a disability, or simply making life more manageable with daily support. From concept to reality in just 4 years. The Optimus journey has been nothing short of incredible. Just 4 years ago, it was literally a person in a robot costume. Now, it's a fully functional machine with fluid movements, advanced AI algorithms, and the ability to learn and adapt. It still doesn't move or respond quite like a human, but thanks to AI, its processing power and decision-making ability have already surpassed ours in many controlled tasks, while still remaining fully under our control. Comparing Optimus to the industry, if we take a step back and compare, companies like Boston Dynamics have been working on robotics for over 30 years. Their robots excel at things like running, jumping, and navigating rough terrain, but they're not designed for real-world human support the way Tesla envisions Optimus. Tesla is trying something no one else has done, creating a humanoid robot that can function in the same environments as people, learn from them, and actually assist them meaningfully in factories, homes, and everywhere in between. While robots from companies like Boston Dynamics and even some humanoid robots from China are impressive with their acrobatics, flips, and smooth running, Tesla's approach with Optimus is taking a very different path. What truly sets Tesla's robot apart isn't how fast it can run or how high it can jump, but how intelligently it sees and understands the world around it. Optimus uses a system of 8 vision-based cameras to perceive its environment without relying on radar, LiDAR, or any other traditional scanning technology. This camera-only setup aligns with the same philosophy Tesla uses in its full self-driving FSD systems. But perhaps even more fascinating is how Tesla is testing Optimus, not just in labs, but in real factory environments where tasks and conditions change constantly. What do you think about Tesla's approach to robotics? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments section below.